Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into two of the most useful tools for evaluating psychological and educational tests, the Mental Measurements Yearbook and tests in print. Whether you're a student, researcher, or practitioner, these resources will help you to choose the right assessment tool and understand how it's been reviewed. The Mental Measurements Yearbook was developed by the Buros Center at the University of Nebraska. It provides professional reviews of published, commercially available tests. Each entry includes descriptive info, reviews, and reviewer references. Tests must be in English, commercially available, and new, revised, or widely used since its last appearance. Since the 14th edition, tests also need strong documentation of technical quality. Each edition is unique. Reviews in one yearbook don't repeat in the next. Tests in print. A comprehensive bibliography of all known tests in English that are currently in print. Includes test purpose, publisher, price, population, administration time, dates, and authors. Has a score index to identify what's being measured. To search for a test, you'll navigate to the Thalen Memorial Library website at divinemercy.edu/library/. You'll click the library login link and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll go to the library databases and scroll down to the EBSCO databases, which are organized in alphabetical order, and you'll find the Mental Measurements Yearbook with tests in print. Once you're here, you can search for a test. For purposes of this video, we'll search for the Miller Analogies Test, or the MAT. You'll come down and click Search. At the bottom, you'll see Access Now, online full text. Click it. If you do not have a particular test in mind, you can also search by test category. For purposes of this video, we'll try searching by intelligence and general aptitude. So once you've selected a test category and a potential option, you'll click search. As you can see, these are the tests that have to do with intelligence and general aptitude. You can further filter it with the options below. For example, developmental, and then you will get even narrower results. Thanks for joining me. If this video was helpful, please leave a like down below, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Thanks. Have a nice day.